Okay, so we got that, so let's do her eyes. So what I'm gonna do is take some of my candy clay and flatten it out. And if you don't want to do candy clay, by the way, you can just use Tylose with, fondant with Tylose and do all the exact same things, it'll work. Okay, so I've rolled this out. And what I have here are some of the mini punches. This one's a hand, and this one's a sun. Got them at my local craft store. Okay, and I'm going to be using the sun. But either of these can be used, so.
Those are for paper?
Yeah. They're paper punches. Because I'm too lazy to actually hand make these eyes. And what I do is just punch it. It's a little sticky. Oh, it came out and then it stuck, see?
Oh.
And if you cut that in half, you have eyelashes. See? Well, now it's got white on it. Let me get the white off. There. Yeah, it's either that or hand model it. Yeah.
There you go.
Get it off my hand and onto her. Yep. Go. There we go. Okay, so we have some eyelashes. There we go. She's got her eyes closed, in case you can't tell. Okay, but the hand works too, by the way. Those are even longer lashes, and boy, yeah, she definitely would look like a lady of the evening with that. That's why I didn't use the hand. But if it were a bigger animal, that would probably be perfect. So.
Should be a mouse of the evening.
Yeah, yeah. So we didn't really want to do that. Okay, so let's see what she got left. She has her, got an eyelash stuck to me. She has her tail left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Gotta have the tail.
Gotta have the tail.
Gotta have the tail.
They just look like they're kind of sitting.
They are sitting.
They're sitting down. So
But you're not going to see the bottom legs.
yeah, you don't need them.
Well, we're not doing them. So
That's why you don't need them.
That's good. Okay, so we want a kind of a longish tail. So again, that little large marble. And we'll start rolling it. We want it long and thin. Let's move her out of the way so you can see. Try to keep it thicker at this end because you need to be able to attach it, and then thins out as it goes. Okay, and I want it to curl pretty. Now the nice thing about candy clay is it will hold for a little bit. It firms up really fast, so if I actually have it, get it to sit on something for like a minute or two, or actually just have it sit and then pop it in the refrigerator, literally a minute it'll be firmed up. Okay, I'm not gonna do that right now, but I am gonna grab my spaghetti because that's how I'm going to attach it, because it won't just attach on there. So I'm gonna stick this on there and then put the tail on there. And then what I might do is pop her in the fridge just so that tail will firm up, because I really want it, up. Kind of like when you bring your kiss, you bring that back foot up in the movies, those old movies. Nice. That's kind of what she's doing with her tail. Okay, I gotta have that little romantic thing. So let me just lean her tail against him for a second. Here, hold that up for a minute for me. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do while that's cooling off is I'm going to make, she's got one of those French berets on, the red ones.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I'm going to have that. And actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dye the candy clay so you can see me dye it.
Okay. We would love to.
I know.
We have a really important question, if you don't mind.
Oh, not at all.
You know the little tool that you have?
No questions.
Little
no.
knife. Your little knife tool. It's got a little poker at the other end of it. Besides making little happy faces and ears with that pokey.
With this?
Yes. Is there any other thing we can do with that little pokey thing?
Oh my gosh, I use it for like everything. I use it to cut my fondant.
Oh, the other side.
This side?
Yeah, the pokey.
Anything I use a toothpick for, I use this for.
Okay.
I can use it to pick up pieces. You just stab them and you put them on. I can use it to You know, you can use it to scribe, you know, or you can use that to scribe. Anything, I mean, anything you use a toothpick for, you can use that for.
Yeah, or for people that are, you know, have wandering hands, little kids that want to steal your. Yeah. There you go.